Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Huawei Health application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see Honor Watch ES. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here you should see the option called Share System Notifications, and this option needs to be enabled. If you don't see this option, you could try to open the Huawei Health application on your iPhone. Come on, go back. Open the app. Tap on Devices. Select your Honor Watch ES from the list. Scroll down. Tap on Notifications and turn on the notifications. And once you turn on the notifications, wait a couple of seconds and you should see some pop-ups on the screen about the required permissions. Once you see the pop-ups, allow all of the permissions and then you can close the app. And once you allow the permissions, go back to the Bluetooth settings, tap on the info icon next to Watch ES, and you should see this option now right here, Share System Notifications. Enable this option and go back to the main page of settings. Okay, now scroll down, find the Huawei Health application on the list of apps, right here, tap on it, and make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, close the settings, open your Huawei Health application, tap on Devices, select your Honor Watch ES, scroll down, tap on Notifications, and turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. Come on. Once you turn on the notifications, you can also turn on the notifications for specific features or apps like Messages, Messenger, and Gmail. If you turn on the notifications, for example, for Messages, and you receive the notification from Messages on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, you will see the notification on your iPhone, but it won't be forwarded to your watch. So if you want to see them on your watch, enable the notifications. And if you don't see the apps you want to see the notifications from on your watch, on this list, you need to enable the other option. If you enable this option, it turns on the notifications for every app on your iPhone that is not on this list. Okay, and once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our iPhone. If we wake up the screen on our watch, we will see that we also got it on our watch right here. You can tap on it to see it. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.